Hey, what's up you guys? Putting a trailer hitch on your Toyota Sienna can take you to some really cool places, like camping, biking, or even towing a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's go ahead and break down that really easy install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. So to start, if present on your vehicle, you'll need to remove the underbody panel located underneath our trunk area. Now ours does not have that, but if yours does, you'll need to remove it and cut a notch into it following the instructions on the driver's side. So since ours doesn't have that, we're going to move on to our next step to lower our exhaust. It's held in by one rubber hanger right here that we'll remove using exhaust removal pliers. And it helps to spray it with some soapy water. Now if your vehicle came with the underbody panel and you've already removed it and cut the hole on the driver's side, now is when you'll reinstall it. Now let's go ahead and point out the weld nuts that we'll be using on both sides of the vehicle. On the driver's side, we'll be using these 3 holes, and it is identical on the passenger side. So now we're ready to bring our hitch into place, lining up the holes on our hitch with those weld nuts. Now we're going to be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have a hitch jack, we recommend you get an extra set of hands as this hitch is pretty heavy. So now with our hitch lined up, we're ready to bring our hardware into place. Each side comes with 3 bolts, and each bolt comes with a conical tooth washer. We want to make sure that the teeth are facing towards the hitch. Let's go ahead and put those in. And we'll repeat on the passenger side. So now we're ready to tighten and torque all of our bolts to the manufacturer specifications. We're going to be using a 19mm socket, and it helps to use a 5-inch extension. And we'll repeat on the passenger side. Now with our hitch installed, we're going to go ahead and reinstall our exhaust. With our hitch installed, we pulled our vehicle down onto level ground to show you some important measurements for your hitch accessories. This is a 2-inch receiver. From the pinhole to the edge of the bumper is 3 inches, and from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 11 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories, such as a bike rack and cargo carrier. So that wraps up our install in our video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.